Welcome to today's class. Today we have an interesting question on the board, and this question here, let's solve through. Follow up me as I solve through this question. Don't just skip this video and learn. If you're not with your child, if you're a parent coming across this video, call your child in and watch with me. Here we have a question, and this is minus. I will advise you pause this video, as you can see the question, and ask your child to solve it first. Then watch as I solve it, so he will learn it. So this is a question, and the question says minus. This minus what to give us 9? Recall, there is no number that you remove. You cannot remove a bigger number from a smaller number to give you a positive number. So it means there is no number we can remove from 6 to get 9. Therefore, we have to borrow. We have to borrow from this number. We don't know whatever the number this thing is, but whatever y will be, we borrowed 1. Remember, we borrowed 1 from it, and we added that 1 here. So do you know what it will happen? What will happen now? Anytime we get what y ought to be, we'll add back the 1 to it because we borrow something to it. See what I'm trying to say here? Imagine you have 2 and 4 minus 7 and 1. Now, do you know that if they say here is y, to do this, you have to borrow 1 from here. This minus this will give us what? This minus this, it cannot. You have to borrow 1 and put here, and you will be having 40. 40 minus 7 will give us 7. So we borrowed 1 from here. Getting whatever this place will be, at the end, we have to add the 1 back. This minus this, 16 minus 9. You minus the number here. 16 minus 9 will give us what? 16 minus 9 will be giving us 7. So x is equal to 7. So if x is equal to 7, here to get the number here, this is just like having y minus 7 is equal to 8. You know when this cross equation become plus, so we have y is equal to 8 plus what? 7. 8 plus 7 will give us 15. 15 is what was left. That means what was left was 5. And they borrowed 1 to make it 15. But the actual number of y is 6 because they remove 1 to get it to be 5. They remove 1 to get it to be a digit that it will be. At the end of subtracting 7, it will give us 8. So if you add 1 to it, it will give us y. So y, if y is equal to what? 6. Recall, at the end of this what we're going to check and know whether we are correct or we are correct. So now, remember, I borrowed 1 from this to make this a 15. The number here was 16. Remove 1, put here, and you get 16. Remaining 5. So 5 minus 7, it cannot go. We borrowed 1 to make it what? 15. So making it 15, here we'll now have a question. Here is now left with 5. 5 minus 7, it cannot. Borrow 1 from this, remaining 7. Put it here. It will become 15. 15 minus 7 will give us 8. So z is equal to what? 8. Then z is equal to 8. You bring down the remaining number because there's no number down here. You bring down 7. With this, what we're going to have is, the question was this, 8, 6, the bracket, y is what? 6. And 6 here. Then we have 7, x is what? X is 7. All over 7, z is what? 8. 8, 9. Now let's keep this 7, 8, 8, 9 and do the normal minus and know if it will give us that same thing. This minus this, it cannot. Borrow 1 from here, remaining 5, put it here, 16. 16 minus 7, we know it will give us what? 9. Are you with me? 16 minus 7 will give us 9. 5 minus this, it cannot. Borrow 1 from here, remaining 5, put it here, 15. 15 minus 7 will give us 8. It will give us 8. The same thing here. 5 minus this, it cannot. Borrow 1 from here, remaining 7, put it here, 15. 15 minus 7 will give us 8. Bring down this 7. So it gave us the same thing. That means our answer is what? Correct. Now, this question, I didn't complete it. The question said, evaluate, find the sum of, good, it was completed. Find the sum of x, y, and z. So remember, our x is what? 7, y is 6, and z is what? Z is 8. So now, the sum of this thing, x plus y plus z, will give us 7 plus 6 plus 8. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. So the answer is 21. 21 is the answer. And you get that in the option.